Welcome to the Philippines. Get ready to explore a tropical paradise filled with stunning beaches, vibrant cities, and rich cultural heritage. Beyond its world-famous beaches, this Southeast Asian gem is a vibrant tapestry of lush landscapes, rich traditions, and the warmest hospitality. Immerse yourself in stunning scenery, from the awe-inspiring Banaue rice terraces to the majestic Mayon volcano. Experience the heartbeat of the Philippines through its colorful festivals, mouth-watering cuisine, and the most welcoming smiles. Connect with locals, share stories, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you seek thrilling escapades, serene getaways, or deep cultural immersion, the Philippines has something extraordinary waiting for you. Let's dive into the wonders of this beautiful archipelago. Get ready to be enchanted. Your journey begins now. Let's begin by uncovering key insights about the Southeast Asian gem located in Southeast Asia. It is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands. Population, approximately 110 million people. Capital city Manila. Government, Unitary Presidential Constitutional Republic. Language, Filipino, based on Tagalog and English, are widely spoken. Currency, Philippine peso, PHP. The Philippines is divided into three main island groups: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Each region boasts unique landscapes, cultures, and attractions. The country experiences a tropical climate with a rainy season from June to November and a dry season from December to May. A journey through the Philippines' rich history, influenced by various cultures and empires. Archaeological evidence suggests human presence dating back thousands of years. The arrival of Ferdinand Magellan in 1521 marked the beginning of Spanish colonization, which lasted for over 3 centuries. Spanish influence is evident in the country's architecture, religion, and many customs. Following the Spanish-American War, the Philippines came under American rule, influencing its education system and governance. The country gained independence in 1946, marking a new chapter in its history. Today, the Philippines stands as a proud and independent nation, drawing strength from its diverse heritage and shaping its identity today. Experience the vibrant culture and traditions of the Philippines. Filipino culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from indigenous traditions, Spanish colonial influences, and American cultural impact. Warm hospitality, strong family values, and a deep respect for elders are central to Filipino identity. Music plays a significant role in Filipino culture, from traditional folk songs to contemporary pop music. Traditional dances, such as the Tinikling and Carinosa, showcase the country's heritage and artistry. Art in the Philippines is diverse, encompassing painting, sculpture, weaving, and pottery. Basketball is a national pastime, and Filipinos are avid fans of the sport. The country has produced world-class boxers, including Manny Pacquiao. Witnessing the passion and talent of Filipinos in these fields is a testament to their cultural richness. Embark on a culinary journey, Filipino food adventures. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors. Filipino cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of tastes, textures, and aromas that reflect the country's rich cultural heritage and diverse influences. Filipino cuisine is a delightful fusion of Malay, Spanish, Chinese, and American influences. Each dish tells a story of the Philippines' history and the various cultures that have left their mark on this archipelago. Here are 5 must-try dishes that will give you a true taste of the Philippines. Adobo, the unofficial national dish, features meat, usually chicken or pork, braised in a savory sauce of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and peppercorns. This dish is beloved for its rich, tangy flavor and tender meat that practically melts in your mouth. Sinigang, this sour and savory soup, is a staple comfort food. It's the perfect dish to warm you up on a rainy day or to enjoy with family and friends. It typically features a tamarind-based broth, meat, often pork, beef, or seafood, and a variety of vegetables. The unique sourness of the tamarind gives sinigang its distinctive and refreshing taste. Lechon, a whole roasted pig, is a centerpiece at special occasions. This dish is often the star of the show at fiestas, weddings, and other celebrations. The crispy skin and juicy meat are simply irresistible. The process of roasting the pig over an open fire for hours results in a perfect balance of textures and flavors. Halo Halo, this refreshing dessert, is a colorful mix of shaved ice, sweetened beans, fruits, and leche flan, topped with a scoop of ice cream. It's a delightful way to cool down on a hot day and enjoy a variety of sweet flavors in one dish. Mango Float, a simple yet satisfying dessert, made with layers of graham crackers, fresh mangoes, cream, and condensed milk. This no-bake dessert is a favorite at gatherings and is loved for its creamy texture and the natural sweetness of the mangoes. Beyond these iconic dishes, Filipino street food offers an adventure of its own. From skewered meats to exotic delicacies, the streets of the Philippines are a food lover's paradise. One of the most famous street foods is balut, a fertilized duck egg that is boiled and eaten straight from the shell. It's a unique experience that adventurous eaters should not miss. Exploring Filipino food markets is another way to immerse yourself in the local culture. The vibrant markets are filled with fresh produce, spices, and ingredients that are essential to Filipino cooking. Filipino food is not just about the dishes themselves, but also about the communal experience of sharing a meal with loved ones. It's a reflection of the Filipino spirit of hospitality and togetherness. Must-see destinations. Experience the thrill of island hopping and beyond. The Philippines offers a wealth of breathtaking destinations, each with its own unique charm. Here are a few must-sees. Boracay, famous for its powdery white sand beaches and vibrant nightlife, is a tropical paradise. Palawan, explore the stunning underground river in Puerto Princesa, or island hop around El Nido's limestone cliffs and hidden lagoons. Bohol, visit the Chocolate Hills, a geological wonder, and encounter the adorable tarsier primates. Cebu, discover historical landmarks, pristine beaches, and vibrant coral reefs in this bustling island province. Vigan, step back in time in this UNESCO World Heritage City, known for its well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture. Manila, the bustling capital, offers a mix of modern attractions and historical sites. This is a glimpse of must-see destinations. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into must-visit spots and top activities. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Festivals of joy, experiencing Filipino celebrations. Filipinos love to celebrate, and their festivals are a testament to their vibrant culture and religious devotion. These celebrations are not just events, they are a way of life, deeply embedded in the Filipino spirit. Each festival is a unique blend of history, tradition, and communal joy, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped the Philippines over centuries. Sinulog Festival in Cebu, held every third Sunday of January, is a colorful celebration in honor of the Santo Niño, the child Jesus. The festival features a grand street parade with participants dressed in vibrant costumes, dancing to the rhythmic beat of drums. The streets come alive with a sea of colors, as locals and tourists alike join in the festivities, creating an atmosphere of unity and joy. Panagbenga Flower Festival in Baguio, witness a spectacular display of floats adorned with millions of flowers during this month-long festival in February. The festival not only showcases the region's rich floral heritage, but also includes street dancing, garden shows, and various cultural presentations. It's a time when the city of Baguio transforms into a floral wonderland, attracting visitors from all over the world. Ati-Atihan Festival in Kalibo, experience the energy and rhythm of this tribal celebration, featuring participants in colorful costumes and body paint. Known as the mother of all Philippine festivals, Ati-Atihan is a week-long event filled with music, dancing, and religious processions. The festival's name means to be like Atis, referring to the indigenous Aita people, and it celebrates their culture and history. Mascara Festival in Bacolod, known as the City of Smiles, Bacolod celebrates the Mascara Festival with vibrant masks and lively street dancing. Held every October, this festival was conceived to uplift the spirits of the people during a time of crisis. Today it symbolizes resilience and optimism, with participants donning smiling masks and elaborate costumes, turning the city into a giant dance floor. Giant Lantern Festival in San Fernando, marvel at the intricate designs and dazzling lights of giant lanterns during this Christmas season spectacle. Known as the Christmas capital of the Philippines, San Fernando's festival is a competition where different villages create enormous, intricate lanterns that light up the night sky. This event brings together families and communities, spreading holiday cheer and showcasing Filipino craftsmanship. Join in the fun and excitement of Filipino festivals and celebrations, where vibrant parades, lively music, and joyful dances bring communities together. When planning your trip to the Philippines, finding the perfect place to stay is essential for a memorable experience. The Philippines offers a wide range of accommodations, catering to all types of travelers, whether you prefer luxury resorts, budget-friendly hostels, or charming bed and breakfasts. For those looking to immerse themselves in the urban vibe, Makati in Manila is a prime choice. Known as the financial hub of the Philippines, Makati boasts a variety of hotels, from budget-friendly hostels to high-end luxury resorts. Here you'll find yourself amidst bustling nightlife, shopping centers, and an array of dining options. Cebu City, often referred to as the Queen City of the South, provides a mix of historical charm and modern amenities. Whether you prefer a cozy guest house or a luxurious beachfront resort, Cebu City has something for everyone. Its central location also makes it a perfect base for exploring nearby islands and attractions. For beach lovers, Boracay is a must-visit destination. Famous for its powdery white sand and crystal-clear waters, Boracay offers a wide range of accommodations, from affordable beach huts to five-star resorts. Whether you're here for water sports, nightlife, or simply to relax, Boracay's vibrant atmosphere ensures an unforgettable stay. Palawan, often hailed as the last frontier of the Philippines, is ideal for those seeking adventure and natural beauty. From eco-friendly lodges to upscale resorts, Palawan's accommodations are designed to enhance your experience of this paradise. Whether you're exploring the stunning landscapes of El Nido or the underground river in Puerto Princesa, you'll find a place to stay that suits your needs. No matter where you choose to stay in the Philippines, the warmth and hospitality of the Filipino people will make you feel right at home. So pack your bags and get ready for an incredible journey through this beautiful archipelago. When traveling through the Philippines, understanding your transportation options can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's explore the various modes of transport available in this beautiful archipelago. First up, we have jeepneys. These vibrant, colorful vehicles are the most iconic and affordable mode of transportation in the Philippines. Originally made from surplus military jeeps from World War II, jeepneys have evolved into a symbol of Filipino culture. They are perfect for short distances within cities and towns, offering a unique and budget-friendly way to get around. For those who prefer a more comfortable ride, taxis and ride-hailing apps like Grab are widely used, especially in urban areas. Grab is a convenient and reliable option, ensuring you can travel with ease and comfort in bustling cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao. Long-distance buses are another essential mode of transportation, connecting major cities and provinces. These buses range from basic to luxurious, catering to different budgets and comfort levels. They are an excellent option for exploring the diverse landscapes and regions of the Philippines. In smaller towns and rural areas, tricycles and motorbikes are the go-to options for short trips. These three-wheeled vehicles and motorbikes are convenient and readily available, making it easy to navigate through local streets and countryside roads. Island hopping is a must when visiting the Philippines, and ferries and boats play a crucial role in connecting the various islands. Whether you're traveling between major islands or exploring more remote regions, ferries and boats offer a scenic and essential mode of transport. For faster travel between islands, domestic flights are available, providing a quick and efficient way to cover longer distances. With these transportation options at your disposal, you can easily explore the stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and hidden gems of the Philippines. So hop on and let your adventure begin. When traveling through the Philippines, you'll want to bring a piece of this beautiful country back home with you. Discover the best souvenirs to bring back from your trip, capturing the essence of Filipino culture and craftsmanship. First on the list are hand-woven fabrics, such as Tinalak and Inabel textiles. These intricate weavings are made by indigenous communities and reflect the rich traditions and artistry of the Philippines. They're perfect for adding a touch of Filipino heritage to your home or wardrobe. Next, we have dried mangoes, a popular sweet treat that is beloved by locals and tourists alike. These delicious snacks are made from the finest Philippine mangoes, and are a delightful way to savor the tropical flavors of the island. For those looking for something more traditional, the Barong Tagalog is a must-have. This traditional embroidered formal wear is often made from piña or juicy fabric and is worn during special occasions. It's a beautiful piece of clothing that represents Filipino elegance and craftsmanship. Pearl jewelry is another excellent souvenir choice. The Philippines is renowned for its high-quality pearls, particularly those from the Palawan region. Whether it's a necklace, bracelet, or pair of earrings, pearl jewelry makes for a timeless and elegant gift. Lastly, don't forget to explore the wide array of handicrafts available. From woven bags and bamboo crafts to wooden carvings, Filipino artisans create beautiful and unique items that make perfect souvenirs or gifts. Bringing home these souvenirs not only allows you to share a piece of the Philippines with your loved ones, but also supports local artisans and communities. Happy shopping! While the Philippines is a beautiful and welcoming destination, it's essential to keep safety in mind to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Here are some crucial safety tips for travelers. First, stay alert in crowded areas to avoid pickpocketing. Popular tourist spots can get busy, so keep your belongings secure and be aware of your surroundings. When it comes to transportation, use only registered options. Whether it's taxis, ride-sharing services, or public transport, ensure that they are legitimate and reliable. The Philippines experiences a typhoon season from June to November. Always check weather forecasts and plan accordingly. This will help you avoid disruptions and stay safe during your travels. Respect local customs and traditions. The Philippines is rich in cultural heritage, and showing respect can enhance your experience and interactions with locals. Lastly, drink bottled or purified water to avoid stomach issues. It's better to be cautious and ensure that the water you consume is safe. By following these safety tips, you can focus on enjoying the stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality that the Philippines has to offer. Reflecting on your incredible journey through the Philippines, you've experienced cultural wonders and unforgettable moments. Whether you wandered through ancient terraces, basked on pristine beaches, or indulged in the rich flavors of Filipino cuisine, every moment in this beautiful country has been a story waiting to be told. And this is just the beginning. In the next part, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the top tourist attractions and must-do activities that will make your adventure truly extraordinary. Stay tuned and get ready for more adventures in paradise. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us create even better content. Thank you.